world. Hello YouTube. Hello everybody. So now that I found someone that really knows a lot, Polly's Customs, and man, I'm glad you explained that. I kind of had an idea about that tower. I didn't think it was for lifting and this and that, but you know how you get. I got it out of a lot of people. They were cleaning out an old trailer court down in Pahrump, and I just started grabbing whatever I could that looked cool and interesting and useful. So now that we have that problem solved, I have another question, and others can field this one if you like, and if you know this, because the more the answers the merrier. Let's have a look. This will be like a ghetto prepper series video of something I have, which is this tank. I fished this tank out of the dump site down there, and that's my obsession. You know, if I see use in it, boy, obviously I grab it. Okay, so let's move on. Oh, wood. I have trailers and stuff. Anyway, what I did was, when I found it, it had 5% in it, which I don't know how many gallons it is, and this and that. Have a look at this here, just so as we know what we're dealing with. Different angles. Okay, I hooked it up. The heater doesn't work anymore in the house. It has a leak, and we get carbon monoxide real bad, so I just shut it off and killed it. But anyway, what I did was, I hooked this up, thinking of I was hooking up to the right stuff. I hooked it up to this fitting. Liquid. I'm thinking that's a wet line now, and I'm surprised I didn't blow myself to pieces. Oh, but it worked. It worked fine. It burned up all the 5%, and if that line was all the way down to the bottom, well, you know, I would be pulling liquid. This one, where is it? Vapor. And this was the fill. Now usually, because on the littler tanks it has this fitting for filling. This one is for the super duper big attachment they have down at the old RV park where I get my propane. What I want to know is this a liquid, and did I almost blow myself to pieces? And if so, how would I possibly hook this up to utilize it in something else? Oh man, that ground's a far way down there. And there's this, and then here's the gauge. But it worked, and see, if you see, it's got the nipple there for a regular hookup for this line. Well, you know what I mean. I changed that to go to my other tanks, but I had that fitting, right, and then I went ahead and put a male nipple. So I went from female to male to handle the smaller bottles from this fitting. Anybody know? Let me know before I really super duper invest in this tank, because I mean, heck, look at it. That's a heck of a dump site find. So whee! So let me know, and I'll deal with it accordingly. I think somebody replumbed it, and they couldn't knock off the liquid thing, because it worked. Of course, then again, the knob says shut off valve liquid. Did I almost blow myself up? Let me know. All right, live by your wits, not by your worries. Peace. Bye.